Hey everyone, so recently we have released a new functionality of store mapping along with address and document series. Let me tell you how it works and how it will be helpful to you. So suppose if you have a specific document series or specific addresses, multiple delivery or billing addresses, which you want to map as per the store added, so you can do that on Transact. So first of all, you need to go to all modules, then go to settings. Now, once you will go in settings, please check here is the inventory segment. Go to inventory segment and then go to store. Now, please check these are all the list of stores available. Now, how you can go ahead and map it on your right hand side. Please check on your right hand side in very top corner. There is an add in stock store. So once you will click here to add any new store, just fill all the details, and here is the mapping part. You can select the billing addresses to which you want to map this. So whenever you will select that particular address as your billing address, that store will be visible. Same goes with the delivery location, also with the document series. So once you will map it as per the document, you can select multiple options in billing, delivery, and in document series, and accordingly it will come while creating the document. If you want to do it with the existing stores added, you need to edit that particular store, and then after you can do it. So for example, take this particular store. I will select it, click on edit, and from here I can select all the location and delivery location in which I want to map it. So for suppose I will simply select the invoice 1 series and I will save it. Once I will save it, it is now mapped. Now while creating the document, only this store will be visible once I select this details. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you with our new functionality of store to address mapping and store to document series mapping. Have a good day ahead.